Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I will be creating HSL bus line 201. Now HSL bus line 201 is a minibus line. If you remember, I started by creating 201B, which is running right here. And 201B is the bus line running between Leppävaara and Pitäjänmäki. And 201B is a minibus line running between Leppävaara and Pajamäki. So without further delay, let's start by creating the line because it starts and ends at existing stops. So 201 it is, and we'll go with the standard ticket pricing as usual, and then we start adding stops. So we stop at Leppävaara and we start Leppävaara. Then we stop at Läkkisepän kuja, and then at Veräjäpelto. But after Veräjäpelto, we will then turn right and stop at Hakkuja, Hackgränden, which is over here. After Hakkuja, we then stop at Timpurinkuja, Timmermansgränden, After Timpurinkuja, we will then stop at Arkadianportaat, Arkadiatrappan, and after Arkadianportaat, we will stop at Ylänteenkatu. No, Ylännegatan. That's right, it's a one-way stop, but I'm generous enough to create it both ways. Then we stop at Laiturintorme, Ladderbrinken. Is it Laturintorme or Laiturintorme? Laturintorme, okay. And after Laturintörmä, we will then stop at Porarinkatu. No, wait. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. This one is Porarinkatu. And Laturintörmä is located a lot more south. In here. And now we should be correct. Oops. And then after Porarinkatu, we will stop at Mäkkyläntie. That's gonna be Mäkkyläveimbo in Swedish, and it's located in here. From the stop, we will straight go on a bridge. And there we go. And then we'll be moving a slight section of road on existing roads. So then let's build this shit, or actually not. Let's not build it quite yet, because what I have to do is I will have to connect it with the next section of the road. So there we go, and then we stop at Sotaneuvoksentie. Is that right? Yes, that's absolutely right. So this is how we've connected with the existing roads and the existing actually line 201, so 201B. So this is how much they have in common. They basically have in common the starting point and a part of the ending point, but okay. So then let's see here. And there we go, it's Sotaneuvoksentie. Then we're gonna stop at Kenttäpäällikön puisto. Feldchefsparken, which is gonna be over here. There you go. And I will do the loop in the end as a double track, because the bus is running both ways. We'll stop here. So, there we go. And then let's add the loop. There we go. Oops. Then let's build this section of the road and get back lines and stop at Kenttäpäällikön puisto and at Sotatuomari. Then we stop at Taavinkuja. Now, where the hell is that? Taavinkuja Davidsgrinden is gonna be over here. This is also gonna be a double track because it will stop there both ways. Oops. And there we go. Then we'll need to loop it in the end, but actually this loop is gonna be a single track loop. We don't need a double one. I'm actually not sure what made me build a double loop in the previous place, but like whatever. Then from Taavinkuja we will still move on to a stop called Kotikallio, Hemberget. Don't cross the lines, you idiot. That's better. And then we'll need to loop the end. There we go, and then we'll still need a crossing this way around. So that's it. Okay, cool. And then let's build all of this and get back to lines. So we stop at Taavinkuja, we stop at Kotikallio, and we stop at Kyläkirkko. Then we stop at Knutintie, we stop at Henrikintie, we stop at the Piteämäki station, we stop at, we skip Takkatie. That's a surprise, really, but no, do not cross those tracks. Big sigh. Come on. It's a nightmare. Okay, so still forbidden. Now there are no bad angles. Then let's move these signals to a better place, which is actually located in here. Oh. Then let's once again build the blueprints. Let's go back to lines and stop at Pajamäentie. And finally at Pajamäki. But instead of going straight back with that loop, oh no, the first stop is gonna be called Poutamäentie. Värmubakkaveihin. So it's going to do a small loop this way. And there we go. And there we go. So then let's still build these blueprints. Let's go back lines and stop at Boardventia, and then let's go back home. Wait a second, is Takkatie? Oh, it's a one-way stop. It's okay. It's a one-way stop. That's news for me. But there we are with this line. Ready. 15 kilometers, not a very long line. And it runs, let's see. Starts at 7:23. Well, it's about hourly. I think that's 55 minutes or something like that. So 55 minutes is good. Oh, today was the day when we paid our first dues, but we're still 30 millions on the plus side. So we will clone the latest Citroën Jumper I bought. And of course, in this universe, they're not Citroën Jumpers, they're pretty much something else. 57 minutes. I will accept this. I will run it with one single bus. So, roads have been built, lines have been created, buses have been bought, and everything is up and running. There will, of course, as usual, be a new video tomorrow. So, until then, bye!